because we work our asses off to get here and stuff like that. You know we're friends. You know we're friends. You know we love you.
Okay.
We love each other. Pero, you know, something has to happen because you won't just let it be. You know,
I didn't get it.
you won't
Oh my
just
God.
allow things to happen that quickly because we know we deserve it and we know we deserve it.
Slot there.
I don't get it.
They want one of the
They
slots.
want one of our slots.
Why?
Do you
know what we're fighting for?
Well, just give it to you. You don't have to sing or anything.
That it's not and it is worth dying for. Does it take your breath away and you feel that you're suffocated? Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go.
Seriously, we'll just give it to you guys. You don't have to do anything.
We want all our assets. Step, we just go. We guys not here. The first week was so fun. Right now we want something else. We thought we life was in our hands. But with think and I everything we worked hard for just didn't come here.
We were so sad, and very ashamed of just happened.
But what happened?
We've been waiting for just 3.5 games. Yeah, it's dry. It's dry. You got I'm ready. Okay. Let's back to our topic.
You're saying that we didn't win it?
Say your
Ano?
sobrang lungkot namin. Sobrang na rin iyak. Because we thought big night was ours. But guys, we're good. You just beat us. Walang nangyari. Happy paguran namin.
We have been here for 7 weeks, and you guys were 4 weeks. Now we got more slots, and we are very pissed. Yeah, I know we're friends, but this ain't right. Now if you think you can beat us, why don't we have a rematch?
Rematch.
Take it easy. We need to go.
Just like
Milk the goat?
Music video. House name. I think about 10. Oh.
정중에 물어보는 게 아니고
Hindi
자기네가 모르겠어. 자기네가 키 같냐고.
You would have just given it. They didn't have to say something like that.
Yeah. So big.
I would just like to take the opportunity to tell you guys what I really feel. I am so sad, 'cause we've been here for so long. Me and Bert said a lot of effort. We've been through a lot of challenges. So we want to rematch. Everybody deserves second chance. Kumuutan. Kaya sagot mo. Ibahan mo na share ninyo ang slot lang mo. Diyan lang. Wala na.